To fix mouse/touchpad not working on laptop, first try some functions key combination. If you are a HP laptop user, then you can press and hold Fn key on your keyboard, then press F5 key, or you can go with F7, or if that's not working for you, then try with F9 key. If you are a Dell laptop user, then press Fn key on your keyboard, then F3 or F5 key. For Lenovo laptop user, press and hold Fn key, then F6 key. For Asus user, press and hold Fn key, then F9 key. For Acer laptop users, press and hold Fn key, then press F7. If none of these steps work for you, then press and hold Fn key and press touchpad key and wait for few seconds, then check if your touchpad is working again or not. Method 2. Double tap touchpad corners. This one is for HP laptop users. On your touchpad, double tap on the upper left corner of the touchpad, look for the light indicator, then check your touchpad. Method 3. Turn touchpad on in Windows setting. Press and hold Windows key on your keyboard, then press I as in India. Use tab key. You have to come down to Bluetooth. First press the tab key, then up and down arrow key to come down to Bluetooth and device, then press enter. Here again press the tab key one more time, then up and down arrow key, and you will see touchpad option in here. Once you select it, simply press enter, and there you'll see the option to turn on touchpad. I hope our method will help you to fix your problem. That's all for today. See you in the next video.